So the JFF Technical Committee has considered some 40 candidates for the vacant position of head coach of the senior reggae boys. According to the JFF, that list has been cut to 5, and we assume they will make a decision shortly. But you know, say, the fact that the JFF found themselves in a position to be considering 40 candidates, that to me shows that the JFF, first of all, were not prepared for what was the long-coming departure of Coach Hallgrimson. And secondly, they don't really know what they're looking for. Because generally, in this kind of situation, the Federation would have a short list of 1 or 2 or 3 specific candidates. They would then contact these candidates and the process would begin. If this one is not available or not affordable, they would go to the next one on the list, etc., etc. This thing with the JFF, a sift through 40 applications, is a joke. That is why I think it's confirmation that the JFF, as usual, remains very much in a spin of confusion, kind of like a spinning gig. See them here? Brr, 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 brr.